All right, welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Okay, so last session we just did a little bit of maintenance for the texture restoration efforts. Now let's try to fix up the C++20 build in Visual Studio. Yeah, so right now it doesn't look too good. Right, the world renders all bad, and the text is very small. So let's try. I think we need to sort out the assembler functions. Yeah. The assembler functions. Okay. Yeah. Text is small. Yeah, it looks bad. Okay, so what do? We go to github.com/fighter19. We go to generals md base type, and we're looking for this function. Yeah, good. So, oh, we got a crash on quit. Let's look into that. Heap buffer overflow. Okay. What is that? Heap buffer overflow. Delete buffer list 0. Huh? Dynamic vector class contains font chars buffer. Buffer list vector class. Huh? Oh boy, what is this? Font chars class. While buffer list.count. Buffer list. Oh boy, what is this? Buffer list.count. 0, 0. Oh. No. So this buffer list is, where's this being allocated? Add new buffer. Fonts char buffer. Okay, it's not an array. Yeah. 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 Yeah, okay, so the first error I see is that it should not be this, it should be that. Maybe that's already good enough. I do actually wonder, since this goes into free and malloc, I wonder if that means that we won't get any delete new mismatches hit. I'm not sure. Let's see if error still happens or not. Yeah. Okay, that's fine now. All right, good. Then let's go ahead. So this function, let's go. So we are looking at, we had a macro. Oof. Let's delete this one here. Let me search for 1300 real quick. Here. So we say if def that, then we do this, else, and if. Okay, and then we take so, okay, long I. The super hackers at fix use simple C code instead of inline assembly. There we go. All right, that's simple enough. Okay. Okay, and then the next one is a what is this? Shift right emu. Oof. Fast float trunk. Okay. Okay, so this one was what we experimented with ChatGPT results. Let's remove that. Okay, so we have this one, shift right emo. All right. Okay, and then we take this guy and we place that in here. Yeah. There we go. And then we take this guy and we put it here. There we go. There we go. Okay, so this should now fix small text at least, right? Let's see. Let's see. please. Thank you. Are you sure this fixes? Are you sure this fixes that? To test it, you need to go to options.ini, set an uncommon resolution, launch game in windowed mode, and then reproduce 453. In my documents. Good. So let's see if the text at least is fixed now with this new code. Let's see. Yeah, the text looks promising. Yeah. Oh, everything looks promising. Look at that. Wow, this rounding function really did a lot of damage. Oh, it's laggy. The game is laggy. Yeah, but visuals are there. So this rounding function really did a lot of damage. Wow. Okay. Cool. Okay, how about we visit some more of these unholy functions here. At least those with the EBX. Actually, we can check if we have touched. Oh, wrong. Let me actually change to main branch here. Whoa. Game codes. All right, so we have touched a bunch of functions here, right? So for example, this one, csc.h, compute csc, right? No. How about we just search for EBX? You already did. Here. Okay, this function is in compute CSC. So if we search for this guy in here, go to file, csc.h, csc.h, generals, md, should be, Where is it? Game engine include common. Game engine include common. Why did they make it uppercase? Compute CSC. Yeah, okay. All right. Oh, we already have the version here. Okay, never mind then. Okay, but before it used yeah. Okay, let's write this differently. Let me say, if not, else. Okay, what else did we touch? Let's see. Just notice here. Oh boy, the formatting is all over the place. No, it's okay. Good. Okay, so the csc.h. This mutex class, mutex.h. mutex.h. Channels MD. No, mutex. This one. So in the mutex fast critical section class. Okay, looks like they didn't touch it. Is this in the correct folder? Yeah. What is the problem here? Critical section class. Critical section. Fast critical section class. They use the SCD atomic in here. Yeah, and then what? Ah, here, and if else. What is this doing? My gosh. STD atomic. Okay, so let's say we comment this out, yeah. Let me put this here back in. Atomic. Okay, so we say if define that or that. Include, oh, hold on, if not that, yeah. We will replace this with a VS6 macro later. Yeah, okay, and then we say here, yeah, we can do that. Flag. What about this handle here? Oh, hold on. Flag, yeah. So if define that flag, else, and if. Okay, and then here we have this std atomic unsigned. Okay, and then we have here if defined bit set else and if else so end flag unsigned end flag. Okay. And then we remove this here. Okay. 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 Okay, I think that's already a good start. Yeah. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so this looks good. Let's go in solo play, skirmish. Let's load the big map here with a lot of units, and then let's stress test this a little bit here. It does load kind of slow though. It's a bit slow. Yeah, it feels laggy. There's something going on here. It feels laggy. But okay, we can profile that at another time. Good, let's see. Let's attack here and see what happens. Wow. As if we were running a debug build. Yeah. Yeah. Go in, my friends. Attack. Ah. Very good. Okay. Let's have more units attacking here. Yeah, it feels very laggy. Even though this is release. Huh. Interesting. Wow. What is this? Performance degradation is unreal. Whoa. That's okay. We can sort this out another time. Okay, looks pretty stable. Very stable. Yeah. The German is here. Let's snipe this. Oh, the German is almost dead. Oh. Micro. Oh, he survived. Let's walk him to some overlord here. Heal up. Okay, looks very good here. Maybe we can fire some Scud Storm as well. Yeah. Oh. Oof. Oof. The hotkey doesn't work. Huh. We broke the hotkey. This works though. But here the hotkey for the Tomahawks selecting matching units doesn't work. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah. Interesting. So there's some bug. I wonder if this is caused by some edit we just made. Yeah. Okay, but seems fine. Maybe we shoot here with a particle cannon a little bit. Yeah. 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 Okay, that's fine. Shoot with another. Huh, why are these Humvees not attacking? Something seems broken here. Oh, they're stealth. It's stealth? It's stealth. Oh. Oh. I didn't realize. Okay, and then that makes sense. Okay, let's shoot the Scud Storm here. Yeah. Ah, beautiful. Good, that looks fine. Let's unload. No crash. Save replay. Oh. Oh. What happened? Oh. What is this? Breakpoint instruction. Huh? Huh? What? Fatal. Internal allocator is out of memory. Oh. Now I know why it's so laggy, because of address sanitizer. Yeah, of course. Address sanitizer just makes it really slow to run. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, it went out of memory. Wow. That's sad. Let's see. Generals.exe doesn't look like it's out of memory. It's 1.3 gigabytes. Should have a little bit to go there, no? Internal allocator. Okay, so internal one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I see. Yeah, it's not too bad, I guess. Maybe what we can do is we just load some simple levels and just load a couple, just to get a little bit of map load and unload action. See if anything is obvious broken. Yeah. Yeah, let's select like a simple map, like Desert Fury. Yeah, with opponents. Yeah, let's build here barracks. One building here. Okay, let's exit. Use of deallocated memory. Okay. Team and queue. If we have a team activated, if it is empty, team.cpp will remove empty active teams. Oof. If we have a team activated, team and queue, memory pool object, remove. Oh. That is interesting. That is interesting. What is this? Bump mapping? Oh, interesting. Mm-hmm. Bump maps, nice. I just hit a interesting. What is it called? Just hit an interesting. Invalid memory access. I could imagine that this one could be related to a surrender mismatch. Just hit the interesting one. TPP. Yeah, it's because what I'm seeing is team and queue, and this yells that this could be related to a surrender mismatch. I mean, I could be wrong, but like there is a chance. So I will get a copy of these guys here. Okay, so what is wrong here? Use of deallocated memory. Let's see. mteam. If we have a team activated, mteam. If mteam, okay, so mteam is already deallocated apparently. It doesn't look garbage though. What about the which? Oh, it is garbage. Yeah, the virtual table is garbage. Okay, so mteam is already deallocated. Where is it getting deallocated? Let's see. That's interesting. Yeah. Team, mteam set active, mteam. So here we assign a team, a default team, which is probably some static somewhere, right? Default team. Well, this could also be null, right? So some garbage. Qdozer. Yeah. Okay, where do we allocate a team? There's delete instance. Delete instance. But it's set to null afterwards. Okay, that's fine. What about this one? The team. The team. Create inactive team. Mm-hmm. 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 Current team. Okay, so we're looking for calls to delete instance on the M team. We have one here. Transfer units to new team. Disband. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Set team. Q supply truck. Q supply truck. I'm not seeing right now where this thing would get deleted, but we should be able to see it in the output here, right? So let's see. Previously allocated. So in a team, create inactive team. Okay, and where's it deallocated? Freed here. Freed in team factory clear. Player list reset, team factory clear. Let's go in there. Team factory clear. Uh-huh. TMP. Must remove it from the map before deleting the team proto. Since the team proto will try to remove itself from the list when it goes away. Must remove it from the map before deleting the team proto. What? So it creates a copy of the map, then it clears the prototypes. Yeah. I don't understand what this is supposed to achieve here. If you make a copy, you have twice the same thing. Prototype. Oh. Clear teams. Okay, so it basically it gets deleted here before we reach this guy. Yeah, so how do we clean this up? Why do we have a pointer remaining? Okay, so the first thing I see here is that this is totally bonkers. Like, we create a copy. It doesn't make any sense. Why create a copy of this map? Must remove it from the map before deleting the team proto. What is the team proto? What does it mean? Ah, here, it probably means this here. Okay, let's read this one more. Must remove it. What is it? Must remove it from the map before deleting the team proto. Must remove it. Ah, the iterator. Must remove iterator from the map before deleting the team proto, since the team proto will try to remove itself from the list. Ah, okay. Ah, I see. So on delete instance, it unregisters itself from that list, because in the destructor there will be some callback into the factory to unregister. If we can find the destructor. Huh? Where's the destructor? There's a constructor. Delete. Team about to be deleted. Aha, there we go. Yeah, I see. Team about to be deleted. Team about to be team. Okay, so the first thing I see here is that this should be actually a swap. So we should have a TMP. Yeah. Let's not change it yet. Let's first look. So this should swap. This should not, because it's useless to make another copy of that thing. Just swap it. Done. Okay, and then delete instance. Delete instance. And then we have something dangling. Okay, so there is a, so that means there is another pointer towards this. So hold on. This prototype, who is accessing this thing? Prototypes. Let's see. Clear teams in queue. Clear the current work order. Clear. Yeah. Remove all. Oof. What is this? D-link head. Delete instance. Yeah. That deletes that. Team in queue. Work orders. Team. Okay, so this one. So this one has a dangling pointer, basically. Yeah. This one has a dangling pointer. Okay. Team. Get default team. Get prototype. Find team by ID. Team factory. Let me see. Aha. Yeah. Okay, so there are other things that hold pointers to these prototypes. Yeah. Okay. IE skirmish player. Okay, so basically the team and queue. So maybe it's an order problem that this thing here, a skirmish player, is destroy too late, or the other thing is destroy too early. The team prototype. Yeah, this is a tough one. This is a tough one. Team prototype. Team prototype. Team prototype. Man. This is a bit more complicated problem, yeah. Okay, how do we solve that? Let's see. Clear teams in queue. AI skirmish player is being deleted here, and player list is being reset. Team factory clear. Cleans up energy. Team factory clear. Hold on. Didn't we see that? Team factory clear. Aha, so this is being cleared before. Aha. Maybe the team factory... Maybe this needs to be cleaned afterwards. After init? What is init doing? Init is initializing all the players. And that will delete a player? AI, delete instance. I see. Okay, so well, the question is, is the team factory accessed after? Is the team factory already touched in the init? That would be an interesting thing to check. Let's see. So the team factory, it's like a global thingy. So it could be accessed from anywhere. Set local player. Okay, that looks pretty harmless. Let's look in the init function here. Oh, this could be large. Hold on. Let's get a copy of that name here. The team factory. Yeah, so we're looking for this guy. Let's see, init. There we go. So, set default team. Oof. 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 The problem is it just does so many different things here. Let's look for team. Set player relationship. This could be a team. No. That's fine. Money and cap. Is observer and cap. Money. Poof. Poof. Delete. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, this one expects that the player team prototype is empty. Ooh. Okay, so there is an expectation. So someone gave it thought. Okay, then let's not violate this thought. Maybe what we should do is, before we call player init, we do clean up the team related stuff before we delete the team factory stuff, right? I think that would be reasonable. Yeah. How do we do that? Team queue. So basically, where's this guy? AI skirmish player. In it here. So we delete the AI. We delete the player AI before we clean up the teams. What does this do? This one only cleans team. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I think we are onto something here. So this AI, is this exposed? AI, let me see. Oof. MAI, right? Let's see. MAI. It is not being exposed. Let's see how AI is used in here. But this is probably a big file, right? Oh, it's a massive file. Okay, so basically what we want is this stuff, right? And then we probably want a function where we just say, please clean up AI, right? Yeah. New map. Set player type. Maybe there's already such a function. Let's see. Let's search for AI and delete instance. Okay, so it's deleted in the init and in here, and that's it. Okay. Set player type. Set player type. Yeah, calling this doesn't make any sense. We want to delete this guy. Set player type. Clean. Skirmish player. Yeah. Okay, how about we add a new function in here? So this skirmish player, clear teams in queue. Delete queue, remove all. Yeah, okay, so my suspicion is that the easiest fix here is void. What does it do? AI. How do we call this from outside? MAI. AI player. Set default team. What does this do? Set default team. Delete player AI. How about that? AI player. Yeah. Yeah, let's call it delete player AI. Yeah, just like that. Okay. And then we add here a new function. Player. There we go. So if MAI, let me put this in here. Delete instance MAI. Okay. Delete player AI. Okay. And then we go to the reset. Yeah. So before we clear, we do, what does init do? Why is this separated here? Why is this separated? Why is this not part of the loop, this one? It looks exactly the same. Strange. Okay, so, but what we can do is, delete. So we create a new function here. Oh, we don't need a new function. We just take this loop here. Yeah. And we just put that here. Actually, because we need to call it twice here. Yeah. I need to call it twice. I don't know if we need to call it here. Cleans up. Why don't we just call reset here? Yeah. Yeah. We call reset here. There we go. Okay. And then here we do this. And then this. And then delete. Yeah. Delete player AI. There we go. Oops. There we go. And then we say here, the super hackers at bug fix. Today is the 20th, 03, 2025. Delete player AI delete the player AI before purging the teams, otherwise dangling pointers to teams. Well, let's say delete the player AI before purging the teams. Delete the player AI before purging the teams because to avoid dangling pointer is a good description. Delete the player AI before purging the teams to avoid to delete the player A before purging the teams. Delete the player A before purging the teams. Let's say the dependent teams. Delete the player A before purging the dependent teams. Teams in the factory. Delete the player AI before purging the dependent teams in the factory. Yeah, I think that this is correct. Is there any other place where we call this one? This function, let me see. I will be right back. All right, so is it fixed? There's init clear. Yeah, okay, it's just inside. Good, I think that's fine, yeah. Good, let's try this out, see if that fixes the problem. So basically we just loaded into the Desert Fury with one enemy and then we just exited, right? That's all we did. And then it crashed. Yeah, should be simply enough to replicate. Yeah. Good, let's run this bad boy. Good, so solo play, skirmish, play game, and So we build some building here. We build another one. And then we saw exit game. And this time it didn't crash. Good. All right, got that fixed. What was the, what is it called? Yeah. What was in the call stack? Got the team crash fixed. Or got the team corruption fixed. Good. Let's see if we can hit anything else here. Maybe we visit some screens here. The main menu, options. What happens if we change resolution? Huh. That is apparently fine. Yeah. What if we go to load a campaign? The turbo bikes. Accessing deleted memory is always a gamble. I mean, if you're lucky and the access is just timely enough, then and no one reclaimed that space, and it can be just fine. But yeah, it's a gamble. Undefined behavior. Yeah. I wonder if that's related to mismatch. Yeah. Oh. Aha. What is that? Out of memory. Oh. Okay. Okay, we don't get much time to test here. Yeah, we really need to run this in x64. But I think for now, I think it's good. We can run the game. We can run the game with C++20, 0 hour at least. Okay, so then the next plan will be we prepare changes for all the fixes we have right now. And then we finalize the C++20 change that we have a pull request for. And then we do the rest, the tools, upgrade that to C++20 for 0 hour, then generals, and then the generals tools as well. Yeah. So that everything is there. Yeah. By the way, let me share my joy here with having the game running. Yeah. I will open PR soon. I'm so happy having the game run now with MSVC C++20. Yeah. Good. Then what do? We will exit the game. Yeah. Okay, so what do? So we have multiple things going on here. There was I wanted to test if the select all is broken also in the Visual Studio 6 build. Yeah. Okay, how about what is this? Convert color. Okay, let's fix the let's submit the memory allocation, the memory corruption thingies first. Yeah. Okay, so we have this one, delete player AI, because I'm losing sight over what we're doing here. Okay, this one, and these, right? delete player AI, player. Okay, so this fix, what was the error? Fix heap use after free. Fix heap use after free in here. In team set active. Let's say more specifically in the destructor. I think that's better. Yeah. Okay, so that would be the first one. Next. Yeah, then we had this audio thingy here. Actually, let's go by this list here. So this one was font chars class. That was a font chars class. Font char. Font chars class. Font chars. Where was it? Font chars class. Font char here. Here, this one, right? Yeah. So this one says heap buffer overflow, but I think it's more like a new delete mismatch. Fix heap buffer overflow, new delete mismatch in this. Okay, render 2D sentence. There we go, commit. Okay, there we got that. Next. Okay, the next one was player init. Player init. Player. Was it this one here? Yeah. Fix heap use after free in player init. Okay. Commit. There we go. Next. Stack buffer overflow. Unicode string set. Right. Unicode string. There we go. No. Where was it? Here. This one. Yeah. Fix stack buffer overflow in this one. Commit. There we go. Okay, next. We are looking at heap buffer overflow. Get list box. Get list box. Gadget list box. This one, right? Fix fix heap buffer overflow in get list box bottom entry. Commit. Next. Heap buffer overflow W3D display. W3D display. W3D. Oh, where's this? Init D3D. Well, where's it? I don't know where that is. Okay, let's skip that for now. Ensure unique buffer, Unicode string, game text manager, unknown crash. Right, I think we didn't know what to do with that one. Okay, we have another one. Open archive file. This one. Do we actually need this comment here? I don't think so. Let's delete this comment. I think this is good enough. Yeah. So this is fix stack buffer underflow in this commit. Okay. What about the rest? Maybe the rest was just crashes, right? Let's see. Okay, so this one, audio event. This was this was somewhere this year. Fix global buffer overflow in that function. There we go. Okay, what's next? Then we had a crash. We had a crash in this audio event thingy here, right? Yeah. Looks like we didn't save a address sanitizer report for that one. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, it was just a crash. It was just a crash, yeah. Okay, so we fix that by doing that here, yeah. That. Yeah, I think that's it. Fix let's say crash in it's just a memory. Hold on, add audio event. Let me see that real quick. Add audio event. Nope. This one, right? Yeah, append audio request. Right, release audio. Right, and that one doesn't. Well, that's stupid. That's stupid. Because it just sets it within this function to null, which has no consequence for anyone. This audio, add audio event, is this where's this called? Just once. Audio events. Yeah. Good. Then, yeah, I think this fix is good enough. It's not great, but I think it's good enough. Fix invalid memory access. Fix invalid memory access in that. Yeah. Okay, good. Then we have a bunch of fixes here. Good. How about we stash the changes that we currently have here and we pick them up in the next session. So we need to do something regarding the game memory manager. Yeah. Good. How about we stash this? Yeah. Then we go to main branch. Yeah. Then we pull this. Yeah. Then we create a new branch. And we call this fix heap. Fix let's call it fix memory team in queue. Okay, so that's the first one. Next. Go back to main. Create branch. Fix memory. Font chars class. There we go. Next one. Rename. Next. Great. Next is fix memory player init. Next. Create fix memory hotkey translator. Fix memory fix memory get list box bottom entry. All right, next. Create branch. Open archive file. Next. Init d3d to ww3. There we go. Next. Create add audio event. Yeah. Okay, that's it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Okay, cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Good. Then let's cherry pick those fixes in there. So here we take this one, cherry pick, automatically create a commit. There we go. Next. Font chars class. Font char, where is it here? Cherry pick. Cherry pick. Next. Get list box. Get list box. This one. Cherry pick. Next. Hotkey translator. Cherry pick. Init. Init. Where is it? Here. No. This one. Cherry pick. There we go. Next, open archive. Open archive. Open archive here. Cherry. Player init. Player init. Check. And team in queue. Team in queue. Cherry pick. There we go. Good. Let's double check audio event, font chars class, get list box, hotkey translator, init, open archive, init, team in queue. Okay. That looks good to me. Then let's push these guys. So, push number 1. Next, check out, push, push, push. Next. Push, 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 Next. Push. Da, da. Push, push. Okay. Next. Check out. Dum. Dum, 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 dum. Da-dum. Dum. All right, push. Da-dum. Push. No. Push. There we go. All right, and one more. Good. Yeah, it's a bit of monkey work here, but we do it organized. All good. All good. Good. And next step. Next step, we go to pull requests. Super hacker game code pull request. So get list bottom. This one. All right, preview. The codes. Yeah. So checking entry at the bottom, if it is smaller than 0, is a bit too late. At the bottom, if it is smaller than 0, it's a bit too late. At the bottom, for smaller than 0, is a bit too late. Bug. I would say it's minor, because it probably doesn't cause a crash. Yeah. Okay, next one. Font chars class. Font chars class. Yeah. So this one, this is a new delete mismatch. Let's say a classic new delete mismatch. Labels, bug. Probably minor. It won't have any catastrophic consequences in our case. It might have on some other platform, but on Windows, I think it's fine. On Windows, yeah, I don't know. Classic new delete mismatch. Is maybe minor, is maybe not minor, I don't know. Create pull request. Good, next. Audio event. Audio event, so. Audio event. Audio event. Where is it? No, we didn't have any ASIN for this. What happens here is that add audio event can delete the past element, the past pointer, but the caller then does nothing if that happens. This happens right on game boot. What happens here is that add-on can delete the past pointer. There even is a EA comment, but the caller then does nothing if that happens and keeps using that pointer. Bug major. Okay. Now we can't see the other ones here. How do we get more into this list here? Hold on. Ugh. I think I have to go to view all branches. Your branches. Okay, so we just added here for these hotkey translator, new pull request. How do I... Shit. I don't know how to open now. How do I open a pull request for our target branch if it doesn't show that in the list here? How do we do that? There must be a way. Maybe here? Here? Yeah. Hotkey translator. Huh? What? Why is this not working? It's up to date. Hotkey translator. Well, I don't quite get this. Should be the other way around. Right. Hold on. Base. Main. How do I open a pull request now? I don't know. I don't know how to create a pull request. How do I manually create a pull request? I've never done this way. Maybe we have to go here and do it from here. New pull request. Spike main. Aha, there we go. Okay. Well, that was more complicated than I thought. How can we... Oh, I have to click here. Okay. Okay, but now we know how it works. Good. So this is game translation. This one. Yeah. We cannot pass a pointer to a wchar t as we cannot pass a pointer to a wchar t and treat it as a string. It may not be zero terminated. Bug minor. Okay. Yeah, I really don't like this workflow here. Now I have to go back to this repository and do the same thing over again. Man, that's complicated. Where do I have to go? Pull request, new pull request. How about make this a new tab. There we go. Good. Then we pick this one. And then this one. Okay, so this one is here. Okay, so we're looking at this one. There's this access. There's this array access. It is outside of the range, so the array size is increased accordingly. Bug. Is it major? Maybe. Okay, next. New pull request. And we're looking at open archive file. Huh? Huh? What happened? Oh. There we go. Open archive file. That's this one here. Yeah. So here we say, what is the problem? Yeah, so file name index. Yeah. Checking file name index after using it is no good. Labels bug. It's probably a minor because it's just reading. Yeah. Create pull request. All right, next. New pull request. All right. Player init. create player init. Create. Ta-ta. Okay, so we are looking at player init. Oh, where is it? Here. So basically what happens here is what was happening here? It uses, it uses, and this clear is in the destructor, right? So let me double check that. The destructor is calling clear, right? Ah, no, it's not, but it's not necessary to call clear because there's no resource. It's just 2 integers. Yeah. Okay. SPRT, oops, is the container element. It cannot be used after it was deleted. Also, the clear is useless because this contains or owns no resources. The whole code can be simplified with clearing the container. Yeah. It's a container. It cannot be used after it was deleted from the container. Also, the clear is useless because, or let's say it's obsolete because owns no resources. The whole code can be simplified. Therefore, that code can be simplified with clearing the container. Okay. Bug. Is that a major? I think it's a minor because it's right afterwards, and it probably on release probably has no. It probably never causes an actual problem because there's nothing allocating in between. So we're just writing on something that was deallocated. It could maybe crash if it would free the page, but what is the likelihood? I don't know. I think it's a minor issue. Okay, so there's that, and then we have one more, I think. One more. There we go. Delete player AI. It's this one here. This is tricky. Well, let's just say let's say in player reset player list reset, the code, the, let's say, the team factory. The team factory is cleared and is cleared. Team factory is cleared. This will delete teams, but the player still but the players still keep a pointer, still keep a raw pointer to those teams and will use them on destruction. To avoid trouble, we clean up the player AI, the AI player part of the players of AI player, the AI player part of the player before we delete the teams. This will delete teams, but the players still keep a raw pointer to those teams and will use them on destruction. To avoid this trouble, we clean up the AI player of the player before we delete the teams. There is a chance that this problem is related to the surrender mismatch, because here we have undefined behavior before transferring units from one player to another player inside the team. Labels, bug, major. Okay, let's link that with the the issue surrender. Here. Possibly related to 21. Okay. Good. And anything else? Was there anything else? This one maybe causes game mismatch. I don't know. Okay. Good. So we have created all the pull requests. Let's get back to this async tests. Yeah. Then we do stash pop. Okay. And then next session we can continue here with what we have left over. I think we need to do something about the memory manager, and of course the inline assembler. Yeah, we need to get rid of all that. Okay, so we still have stuff to do. Okay, but we can run the game now. We can run the game, and it works. Yeah, I think that's a milestone for us. Yeah. Yeah, I'm very happy with the situation. Good progress. It's been 2 hours 13. I think we can close off the session. Oof. Will you also do a general PR for memory issue fixer? Will you include this? Yeah, separate. What do we have here? Fix for surface class drop pixel performance. Nice. You can use Win Shift S to capture a specific area of the screen pace. So Wild West here. After switching, the DDS textures don't load right anymore. Oh boy. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy, the wild, wild west. Good. Yeah, I think good progress. QA tester. Getting unmanned. Keep revealing the map. Clock code. Copy a link. I'm sure that this course doesn't support custom resolution specified directly in option, but I see that Gentoo prevents overriding standard resolution. While in VS6 its reset is to first available, just because the game doesn't see it as an option. With this change, the problem will be resolved because it will be available and selected. Yeah, but that doesn't... Like if I set a custom resolution, like let's say 1920 times 1070, and then I go to options menu and I change an option, then the resolution will be changed. So I don't think that this fixes this issue, because this issue says in-game option change, resets resolution, and crashes the game. So it's still possible. It's not like a common user pass, right? But it's still possible. Yeah. 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 Also an issue with fixed FOV. There's also an issue with fixed FOV in the game, which effectively zooms everything on resolution wider than 4:3. So even we can see less than 4:3. And imagine that on, we will see only several units. Did I describe here how to fix it? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anything else we should look at? Copy text. Oops. Copy link. There we go. Edit those. According to the doc, CMake will query the registry as the target program would. So for 32-bit, well, it's not needed as Windows will virtualize. As also change the target binary names for the main exe and word builder, so no binaries get harmed in the making. And it failed. Okay, let's see how it looks. Oh, hell no. Check the CD registry pass. Okay. Check the first decade. Yeah. Check the Steam registry path. Yeah. Gen World Builder. Gen World Builder. Gen World Builder. Open generals. Oof. Oof. It's a risky name. Do we have a better suggestion? Open general sounds weird. How about generals? By the way, it shouldn't be capital. Generals. Original generals.exe is not, it's not upper. Original generals.exe does not begin uppercase. Does not begin with uppercase. How about open generals? Reads strange. Like open a folder, open a folder. Also, it does not sort close to the original exe. I suggest generals. 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 I don't have a good name. Generals open 0 hour. Here we have an error. Set generals. Set generals. Original generals exe does not begin with uppercase. I suggest generals. I suggest the following names. Okay, so they should start with generals. And then we have world builder. The world builder. Okay, so here we can put ZH. Generals ZH. And then we put underscore Let's say maybe super for super hackers. Like that, maybe. General super. Does that make sense? Basically, yeah. We haven't agreed on a name yet. Open channel is strange. Like open a folder. It does not sort close to the original exe, which is probably desirable for now. General super. Yes. I could also maybe have like generals v, like for vanilla. Generals fixed. Fixed. Fix. Or maybe just sh super hacker. Sh. Open generals. Okay, sh. I don't like open generals. Maybe just do v zh. Until we figure out better name. Perhaps let's just do v equals vanilla, zh equals 0. Let me say, we did not yet settle on open generals. Don't yet settle. Also, it does not sort close to the original exe, which is probably also, it does not sort close to the original exes, which is probably undesirable for now. We did not yet set up. Also, it does not sort close to the original exe, which would be good to have for now, maybe. I don't think that's a valid argument. We did not yet settle on open generals. I don't like the name open generals. I'm not a fan of this because it's open. It's not the appealing name. Yeah. Yeah, I would say we do this here for now. Yeah, then it's close to the original name, but not exactly the same. Yeah, it's easy to recognize if it's sitting next to the original executable. Yeah. Yeah, and then we need a better name. I can change it again. Z generals, yeah. G word builder. First decade Steam. Insta, GR, Insta. Okay. Z generals. Good. I think we can put that comment. Yeah. Good. Build has failed. Yeah. Good. So we need to, this one needs to be merged before we merge the C++ change, upgrade change. Yeah. By the way, did we link here this? Possibly related, yeah. Good. I think I will end it here. I think it was a very good session. Got quite a few things done. That's great. I hope you enjoyed. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.